welcome candidate number 10, Nina Marie Montales. Good evening, Nina.
Good evening, Sir Han.
It feels weird to just call you by your first name. Of course, for the information of everybody, Miss Nina right here is actually my workmate and my colleague. We actually teach in the same school. So it's nice to see you not anymore in the school setting, but on stage. How are you feeling tonight?
Sir, it feels so nerve-wracking. However, I am very grateful for the experience. And you know, I have a very strong support system. So may I just take the opportunity to give thanks. I'd like to thank my family, my friends, and my fellow colleagues in Silliman University Junior High School. They have been very supportive of me since day one.
Yes, we finally believe si Miss Nina today for Miss Bais. So, Miss Nina, I'm just curious, you know, every day you teach, you're inside the classroom. What skill as a teacher did you find out, you know, during the journey of your Miss Bais, you know, experience? You know, what skill in the classroom were you able to use in your preparation for Miss Bais?
I believe that I was able to take advantage of my communication skills. You know, because in the classroom and in the pageant or in the stage, you have to be able to connect with people, to connect with students. And I believe I have used that for my experience here.
Yes, and you're about to do that once more. Of course, hopefully, there is like one question left for you, Nina. Your co-candidates have picked for you, actually. Alright, so I will read the question twice, so listen carefully. Alright, very apt for you as well. What valuable lesson that one of your teachers in elementary or high school has taught you, which has become your guiding principle in living a responsible adult life?
Good evening, everyone. I'd like to answer my question by first saying thank you to my teachers. The most important lesson I have learned from them is to live by example. Because by living by example, you are showing people what to do. You are taking the first step in making an action towards a better society. And I believe that value makes me a responsible person, a responsible citizen. And I hope that as an example, Baisanans can also be inspired to take change and lead. Thank you.
Very well said. Thank you so much. Candidate number 10, Nina Marie Montales.